It is a government policy where every citizen receives. Okay. It is a government policy where it. नहीं नहीं. It is a government policy. अरे यार. Why do I always feel that I'm behind everyone? I don't know what is happening. Maybe I'm not improving at all. You are improving. You just don't notice your growth, man. Wait. Who are you? I'm just your inner self. Okay. So then tell me, why do I still hesitate? Because you have forgotten. Where have you been and how far you have come, man? Alright. So then let's teach and learn at the same time. Use number 1. Have been plus verb first form ing. It is basically used about continuous journey or the continuous process. For an instance, I have been working on my English for months. See, you are not stuck anywhere, stupid. You have been improving and growing yourself every single day. You have to believe it. Second use, would. You know what? It is used for polite wishes, imaginations, and dreams. For an instance, I would love to become a confident speaker. And that's my boy. Your dreams truly matter. Speak them into reality. Come on. All right. Use number 3, might. You know what? Might is basically used for the possibilities. But remember, hopes which are mixed completely with the risk. For an instance, I can say during this journey of learning English, I might make mistakes. But you know what? I will learn something for sure. Exactly. Mistakes don't make you weak. They make you brave enough. Absolutely. Oh my God. I've been doubting myself for so long. I still remember when, I used to push myself when anybody else needed help. But I guess this is the high time when I should help myself. Come on, Jatin. You can do it. Hey, excuse me. Exactly. That's what I've been trying to say. All right. You are not inferior. You are meant to do something bigger. At least you are better than you yesterday, man. You can do it. Come on. Sure thing. Hi. ये तो सीख जाएगा और शायद से समझ भी जाएगा. But what about you? What about your chance to improve? Affirmation really works. So repeat after me. Hey, I said repeat after me. I have been improving. And you have been improving. Don't doubt on it. Take care. And for sure, you might make mistakes during this process, but at least you will learn something. So say that. I might make mistakes, but I will learn for sure. And at last, don't forget to recall yourself that you would achieve every goal which you have decided. But at least don't doubt on yourself. Come on. Bye.